Okay, everybody, look, I made a rational decision, but scary money don't make no money. I'm gonna say that much. But at the same time, I keep saying that word, the B-U-T. I was about to say it again. Anyways, look, we got this and I don't regret it. Why? In the video, I'm gonna tell you what am I gonna be doing to the truck, and also eventually I'm gonna break down the expenses, how much I got it for specifically, what I did to the truck to actually make it look nicer, and also anything else that is gonna add on to the amount of money that we've actually invested in the truck to make it look like an $8,000 truck, even maybe a $9,000 truck. But who knows? Stay tuned. This is the first video, part 1. Hope you enjoy. It's gonna be short-lived. All right, we're gonna actually tidy this thing up. We're gonna restore it. It's gonna be looking a whole lot better. It's gonna be looking a whole lot different. And from the inside itself, it's actually not that bad. There's a little bit of tape right here, but in all reality, nothing that we cannot fix, especially for the good price of less than $10. The floor mats, aftermarket, but if you look at them really close, they've been protecting the actual carpet. We're gonna be doing that as well. And also the dash, there's no cracks. The steering wheel, for the actual age, is actually looking pretty damn nice. This vehicle just needs like a tidy up. It needs some restoration, yes, but it's not gonna be difficult at all to make this puppy look like $1,000,000. Oh damn. Apparently this thing right here has been held down with some screws. That's not good. We might have to buy another one, but nonetheless, the interior is actually looking pretty damn saucy though. I'm not gonna lie about that. Like, there's no rips, there's no nothing like that of that sort. But I do see a lot of pins, man. Like, what's up with these pins, bro? Like, you couldn't use anything else? Like, really? Not even glue? Glue would have been... Okay, anyways, previous owner issues. Nonetheless, we're gonna fix them. Everything else seems pretty good. It's not that bad. And I'm loving this because at the same time we get our work done while we get to enjoy this damn freaking truck. Yes, everything works too. You actually bought this brand new. We're gonna actually take it off because we're gonna be, yes, we're gonna be wrapping it. It's gonna be a whole another color. It's gonna be my first truck, and it's gonna be something new, and it's gonna be different. Well, so I gotta wrap this, right? This is what I gotta wrap. It's gonna be interesting. Like, I'm not gonna lie about that because I've never wrapped the bed before, but it seems pretty simple. And there's actual bolts right here as well, so seems like this comes off fairly easy. But after we get that done, we also got to sand it down as well. Yeah, you see all this clear coat right here? All of it is just horrible, so we got to sand that down. We do got some minor dents right here, but I mean, you can't complain, especially for the condition that it is, for the age that it's actually currently at, because it's actually way better than majority of them that I've seen. It has OEM wheels. This gotta go. Like, this has to go. The grill is a grill. It's all right, nonetheless. Little minor dents right here, no biggie. But I mean, we also got to do some engine work. The engine work is gonna be lightweight, easy. If I can, there we go. That took a while, but we got to do that. So we got to clean all this up. We got to make these headlights look almost brand stinking new. Of course, we need to. And yeah, we're gonna be taking this thing apart, restoring it, and looking at brand stinking new. Well, as good as we can, at least, you know, because this truck right here is a beauty, and I can't wait to get started either. I cannot wait. As you can tell, yup, we got the front end, for the most part, taken off. So now what we got to do is clean it out. And that's what we're doing right now too. All those parts that we took off from the engine bay and also from the front end are right here. We're going to be cleaning them out because we're going to be making that engine bay look spiffy, nice and clean. Amazing, actually. Matter of fact, I figured out the issue for this freaking temperature gauge, man. The temperature gauge is actually finally above the quarter. It's almost at 210, which is the normal actual temperature. I'm not getting that code again. Jeez. It was a struggle. It was a struggle. But we got it. We fixed it. Apparently, we still got to do some more monitoring because you never know. Instead of running at the proper temperature that the engine needs to be running at, it's actually running really cold. That was the issue. But now, after changing the thermostat, I fixed that issue. Now it's running like at 210. 205, 210. You know what? It's still way better than running at a quarter, which was like a 150, which is running extremely cold. So far, the progress in the truck has been really good. And also, one thing I do want to add is the headlights came out extremely nice. I'm not gonna lie about that. Besides the fact that I did it when it was like a really it was a bad day. It was a horrible day. It was nice and cloudy. I loved it, but at the same time, like a little drizzle landed on the damn headlights while I did the clear. So it has these little marks. So that separated the paint. Well, the clear coat, that sucks. But I mean, other than that, the truck is running great. It's getting up to temperature. Everything's good. And on top of that, I've actually already started blacking out the grill. It came with the aftermarket grill, and I got these already actually cleaned out, and I already started the painting process. I'm gonna add clear to that too as well. And on top of that, the vinyl is coming in today. My girlfriend right there, hella upset and shit. I already started on it, and also this actual grill right here, I'm already like doing what I can to restore it. I hate chrome, so that chrome is going to be gone. I'm actually going to keep this right here. I wasn't going to black it out, but you know what? Nah, let's have that Chevy sign exposed. Everything that's golden brownish is going to be black. And on top of that, everything that's faded on this truck, I'm going to make sure I restore it because that shit just looks ugly. I'm going to restore it on this truck because that fade look just looks disgusting. Also, these trim pieces, these pieces right here, these suckers are coming off. I don't like that look at all. It just gives it that old look. Everything's sanded, as you can tell. Everything's nice and sanded. We're going to be removing this too. I sanded this as well. That's going to be actually vinyl wrapped black. The rear bumper, I'm gonna, you know, in all honesty, I don't even know. But I do want to remove all signs of chrome. I don't like chrome. I hate chrome with a passion. I just don't like it on a lot of vehicles. If you have a classic and it has chrome, you know what? I dig it. I'm not gonna lie because it goes really nice with it. This whole side right here, nice and sanded down, this wheel. Yep, other than that, I mean, the truck's coming along. The truck is coming along just fine. I'm really excited to finally finish it. It's gonna be looking like a whole different truck compared to how it was originally.